This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 29M is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Thor Motor Coach is 30 feet 7 inches in length and features one slide-out, a gray leathers and brown cabinets interior, sleeps 5, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, smoke detector, skylight, LP detector, self-contained, microwave, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 29M is built on a Ford F-53 chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V-8 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.